Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite girl again, Chef Basse, and on today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your condensed milk. So I made condensed milk recently and I got a comment or a feedback that after trying the recipe it was too thick, that is there anything they can do, and I said okay, don't worry, I'm going to make another one. So earlier, like I said, you need just 2 ingredients in order for you to make your condensed milk, which is your milk and your sugar. And for this video I'm using a cup each. So I added sugar to my pot and then water, and then I start to mix together until the sugar is combined or dissolved inside my pot. Then I'm going ahead to add my milk. So I'm just going to mix together. At this stage I'm just trying to make sure there is no lump in it. Then after mixing together, I'm just going to allow it to boil until it thickens. And this took about 15 to 17 minutes. At this stage, you just have to keep stirring it, or else it's just going to overboil and it will be messy. So I'm just trying to see how it is, if it's a little bit thickened or not. So at this stage, I just allowed it to sit for another 5 minutes because of the consistency that I want to get. I don't want it too thick. At this stage, it is already thickened, so I'm just going to add it inside my pot, inside my jar. Mind you, it's glass, that's why I added water to it, so it's not going to break. And when it got cooled down, it gave me what I wanted. So let me know what you think about this recipe. Bye.